In 1934, M.N. Roy put forward with an idea to start a Constituent Assembly. INC, Indian National Congress, officially demanded for Constituent Assembly for the first time, and this is the beginning of our Constitution. As we all know, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar drafted this Constitution, and he is the chairman for the drafting committee. What's a Constitution? Constitution is a supreme law of India. And I have a small question to you guys. What's the need of constitution? Is there a need of constitution for India? Yes, there is a much need of constitution to India to maintain laws and rules. Please subscribe my channel if you're visiting for the first time and punch on the grey color like button, but make sure that turn into blue. And I don't want to take any responsibilities when your phone met any damage while you're punching.
Like a Hellcat.
Back into the topic, the Constituent Assembly held its first meeting on December 9, 1946. But there is a problem here. The Muslim League boycotted the meeting and demanded for a separate country for Pakistan. So because of this, only 211 members attended the meeting. So Dr. Sachidananda Sinha, he is the oldest member of the assembly. And because of this, all members of Constituent Assembly agreed him as the temporary president, only temporary president. S.C. Mukherjee and V.T. Krishnamachari are elected as the vice presidents of the assembly. Do you know the time period taken to draft the constitution? I'll say you. It took almost up to 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to draft our constitution. And also, they spent up to rupees 64 lakhs in the process of drafting the constitution. Amazing, right? So the Constituent Assembly not only made our constitution but also performed some major functions. Those are: number 1, the Constituent Assembly adopted our national flag on January 22nd, 1947. Number 2, the Constituent Assembly adopted our national anthem Jana Gana Mana on January 24th, 1950. Number 3, the Constituent Assembly adopted our national song Vande Mataram on January 24th, 1950. And at last, number 4, the Constituent Assembly elected Dr. Rajendra Prasad as the first president of India. There are many committees in the Constituent Assembly, like Union Powers Committee, Union Constitution Committee, Provincial Constitution Committee, etc. 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 Among all the committees, the drafting committee is a very important, prevalent and major committee. As we all know, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the chairman of the drafting committee. What's the drafting committee? Drafting committee is a committee with people who sit to draft the frame of the constitution. They design the frame of the constitution. So Indian people were given 8 months to discuss the draft of the constitution and propose some amendments. Wait, what? What's known as amendment? I'll give a small example. So now you are writing a notes on some subject. Something strikes in your mind that's wrong, and you're gonna erase the point and write the correct point instead of that. And or else you will add some other points in your notes. Exactly, this is known as the amendment, but not in your notes, in the constitution. The drafting committee in the Constituent Assembly sat for only 141 days to draft its frame. Guys, I gave just a glimpse of constitution. Just I introduced the constitution, but I have a bunch of information about the constitution to share with you. Please subscribe my channel and punch the grey color like button as I said in the beginning.